Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for day 1. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses north central Nebraska, south central and west central South Dakota, and a tiny bit of northeastern Wyoming. Cities in today's slate include Rapid City, South Dakota, Pierce, South Dakota, Spearfish, South Dakota, Rapid City, South Dakota, and Sturgis, South Dakota. And we have 2 marginals today, one covering southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, most of South Dakota, northern Nebraska, extreme southwestern Minnesota, and extreme northwestern Iowa. And a second marginal today covers northeastern West Virginia, including the West Virginia Panhandle, north central Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, most of Delaware, most of Pennsylvania, including my area, all of New Jersey, eastern and southeastern New York, all of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, most of Massachusetts, most of New Hampshire, and all of Vermont. Cities in today's margin which include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Boston, Massachusetts, and Washington, D.C. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses south central South Dakota and north central Nebraska. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Mitchell, South Dakota, Pierce, South Dakota, and Yankton, South Dakota. Going to today's wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses north central Nebraska, south central and west central South Dakota, and extreme northeastern, a tiny bit of northeastern Wyoming, just a tiny bit. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Rapid City, South Dakota, Pierce, South Dakota, Spearfish, South Dakota, Rapid City, South Dakota, and Sturgis, South Dakota. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, one encompassing southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, much of South Dakota, northern Nebraska, extreme southwestern Minnesota, and extreme northwestern Iowa. And the second 5% today covers northeastern West Virginia, including the Panhandle, north central Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Delaware, most of Pennsylvania, including my area. I think I mentioned Washington, D.C. too. All of New Jersey, eastern and southeastern New York, all of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, most of Massachusetts, all of Vermont, and most of New Hampshire. The 5% wind risk areas today include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Boston, Massachusetts, and Washington, D.C. Going to the hail threat for today, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing northern Nebraska, most of South Dakota, northeastern Wyoming, and the very far extreme southeastern tip of Montana. The 5% hail risk area today include Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Rapid City, South Dakota, Watertown, South Dakota, Brookings, South Dakota, and Mitchell, South Dakota. So, in summary, scattered severe wind gusts and isolated large hail may occur across parts of the northern and central plains this evening and overnight. Thunderstorms across portions of the northeast and mid-Atlantic may produce occasional damaging winds this afternoon. So, that's your day 1 outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, even the marginals, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. Sometimes you don't know what the heck marginals can do. You know, sometimes they overperform and act like slights, or worse. So, anyway, areas over here, the threat is mainly tonight, so if you're in these areas that I'm zeroing in on, before you go to bed tonight, be sure to have something to wake you for a warning, whether it be your radio, TV, or phone. And if possible, sleep in your safe room tonight in these areas on the lowest level of your home to avoid having to move during the night. So, and for these areas, this is a daytime threat mainly, today into early evening. So, stay safe in these affected areas today and tonight, and I will not be able to have my Day 2 severe weather outlook today because I'm hanging out with a friend this afternoon and will not have time to do the video. For Day 2, I'm going to see if SPC Convective Outlooks can fill in for me for Day 2. Take care.